Today we're going to show you how to make a classic chocolate mousse recipe. It's a rich and creamy dessert that is perfect for any occasion. Ingredients: 200 grams dark chocolate, 4 eggs, separated, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. Step 1. Start by melting the dark chocolate in a hot water bath. Ensure that the chocolate is less than 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius, when you mix it with the eggs. Step 2. Whip the egg whites until they form stiff peaks. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Step 3. Whip the cream until it forms soft peaks. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Step 4. Combine the egg yolks and sugar until they are pale and creamy. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Step 5. Combine the chocolate and egg yolk mixture and stir until well combined. Step 6. Gently fold in the whipped egg whites and whipped cream to the chocolate mixture. Be sure to fold the mixture gently, so you don't lose the air that you whipped into the egg whites. Step 7. Chill the mousse in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Step 8. Serve and enjoy. Serve it with some whipped cream and fresh berries, if desired. It's a delicious and decadent dessert that everyone will love.